Did you know that Barcelona is the only city in the world awarded a Royal Gold Medal for architecture by the Royal Institute of British Architects? Now imagine the architectural marvels that await you in this city. Barcelona, the heart of Catalonia, is a tapestry of rich history and cutting-edge design. The city's streets are a symphony of color, from the azure Mediterranean Sea to the vibrant mosaics of Antoni Gaudi. A city where the old and the new intertwine, creating a unique blend of the past and the future. Barcelona's life is as diverse as its architecture, with an infectious energy that spills over into its food, its music, and its people. Famous landmarks such as the Sagrada Familia and Park Guell are testament to the city's artistic spirit. Join us as we embark on an 8-minute journey, unveiling the magic of Barcelona, one landmark at a time. Our first stop is the Sagrada Familia, a basilica that has been under construction for over a century, yet it's already a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Sagrada Familia, a true labor of love, has been a work in progress since the late 19th century. This stunning basilica, the brainchild of visionary architect Antoni Gaudi, is a testament to his unique style and imaginative approach to architecture. Gaudi's vision was to create a space that reflected his deep religious faith and love for nature, and the Sagrada Familia is the embodiment of that vision. A walk through the basilica is like stepping into a different world. Gaudi's use of light and color, coupled with his innovative architectural techniques, creates an atmosphere that is both awe-inspiring and deeply spiritual. From the intricate facades depicting scenes from the life of Christ to the towering columns that mimic the structure of trees, every element of the Sagrada Familia is meticulously designed and rich in symbolism. Despite Gaudi's death in 1926, construction of the basilica has continued, with teams of architects and craftsmen dedicated to bringing his vision to life. It's a testament to Gaudi's enduring influence and the city's commitment to preserving its rich architectural heritage. The current projection for the completion of the Sagrada Familia is 2026, marking the 100th anniversary of Gaudi's passing. The Sagrada Familia is a testament to Barcelona's passion for art, architecture, and dedication to preserving its cultural heritage. Next, we explore Park Guell, another masterpiece by Antoni Gaudi that feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Imagine a place where nature and architecture dance together in a kaleidoscope of color, texture, and form. That place is Park Guell, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Barcelona's most iconic landmarks. This magical park was conceived and designed by the legendary architect Antoni Gaudi in the early 20th century as part of a housing development project that never came to fruition. Instead, it became a public park in 1926, a whimsical wonderland of winding pathways, vibrant mosaics, and fantastical structures. One of the park's most distinctive features is its famous mosaic lizard fountain, playfully known as El Drac, the dragon. This colorful creature, covered in vibrant shards of ceramic tiles, has become a symbol of the park and a must-see for visitors. While the park's architectural wonders are undoubtedly fascinating, it's also worth noting the breathtaking views it offers. Perched high on a hill, Park Guell provides panoramic vistas of Barcelona, with the city's skyline stretched out beneath you and the Mediterranean Sea glimmering in the distance. But Park Guell is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's a place where you can feel the rhythm of Barcelona, hear the whispers of history, and touch the heart of Catalan culture. Park Guell is a vibrant fusion of nature and architecture, offering unforgettable views and a unique experience. Now, let us wander through the narrow, winding streets of Barcelona's Gothic Quarter, a place where every corner tells a story. Steeped in more than 2,000 years of history, the Gothic Quarter, locally known as Barri Gòtic, is the oldest part of Barcelona. This district is a labyrinth of narrow streets and squares, lined with beautifully preserved medieval buildings that whisper tales of the city's Roman and Middle Ages past. In the heart of the Gothic Quarter stands the magnificent Barcelona Cathedral, an awe-inspiring symbol of the city's rich architectural heritage. This grand Gothic edifice, with its soaring spires and stunning cloister, is a testament to the craftsmanship of the architects of yore. Its intricate facade, adorned with gargoyles and saints, stands as a silent witness to the passing of centuries. A stone's throw away, you'll find Placa Reial, a picturesque square that is as much a symbol of Barcelona's vibrant life as it is of its architectural beauty. Flanked by palm trees and grand buildings with intricate iron balconies, this square pulsates with life, day and night. Here, the sound of laughter mingles with the clinking of glasses, as locals and visitors alike enjoy the array of restaurants and bars. The Gothic Quarter isn't just about beautiful buildings and squares, though. It's also about the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's about the aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafting from a corner cafe, the melody of a street musician playing a soulful tune, and the vibrant colors of the local markets. It's a place where history and modernity dance in perfect harmony. As the day turns into night, the Gothic Quarter undergoes a magical transformation. The streets come alive with the glow of the street lamps, the sound of music, and the energy of people enjoying the city's vibrant nightlife. It's here that you can truly experience the soul of Barcelona, a city that never sleeps. So come lose yourself in the enchanting maze of the Gothic Quarter. Explore its hidden corners, marvel at its architectural splendor, soak in its vibrant atmosphere, and let its timeless charm captivate you. The Gothic Quarter, with its rich history and lively energy, captures the heart and soul of Barcelona. From the awe-inspiring Sagrada Familia to the enchanting Gothic Quarter, Barcelona is a city that captivates at every turn. We've taken quite the journey together, haven't we? We've ventured through the heart of Catalonia's capital, exploring the mesmerizing landmarks that make Barcelona truly exceptional. Let's take a moment to reflect on the highlights of our virtual tour. First, we stood in the shadow of the majestic Sagrada Familia, a testament to Antoni Gaudi's architectural genius. With its towering spires and intricate details, it's no wonder this basilica is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Every corner of the Sagrada Familia tells a different story, and each visit offers a new perspective. Then we meandered through the whimsical Park Guell, another of Gaudi's masterpieces. This park is an open-air museum, a stunning blend of natural beauty and artistic flair. The vibrant mosaic work, the serpentine bench, the iconic dragon stairway. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Our journey continued through the winding alleys of Barcelona's Gothic Quarter, where history and modernity harmoniously coexist. Amidst the medieval architecture, we discovered trendy boutiques, bustling markets, and lively squares. It's a place where every stone has a story to tell. But remember, these are just a few of the many wonders Barcelona has to offer. There's the bustling La Rambla, the stunning Casa Batlló, the breathtaking views from Montjuic. The list goes on. Each landmark, each neighborhood, is a unique piece of the intricate puzzle that is Barcelona. So, let this video be your starting point, your first taste of the magic that is Barcelona. But don't stop here. The true beauty of this city can only be fully appreciated in person. The sights, the sounds, the tastes, they're waiting for you to experience them firsthand. Barcelona, a city of architectural wonders, vibrant culture, and unforgettable experiences, awaits your discovery. So when are you planning your visit to this magical city?